Hi, Alan here. Let's take a look at the finance page inside Creator Dash. This is where you finally get the full picture of your revenue. Not just what YouTube pays you through AdSense, but everything tied to your channel. We're talking sponsorship deals, freelance projects, affiliate income, course sales, merch. Whatever you're earning as a creator, you can track it here. You can also add things manually. Got a new sponsor deal? Add it. Bought a new mic? Log it as an expense. Every entry is tracked and categorized, so you can clearly see how money is moving in and out. You can filter your financial progress by week, month, 3 months, 6 months, or the past year. That way you're not just seeing numbers, you're seeing patterns. Are you earning more from sponsors lately? Are your expenses creeping up? You can spot trends and act on them. And if you've got channel memberships enabled, we pull that revenue in too. You'll see how much you're earning from your members alongside all your other income sources, which makes your total revenue more accurate. This page is all about clarity. No more guessing, no more messy spreadsheets, just a simple, organized view of how your creator business is really doing.